Hey everybody, Pilgrim here. Just wanted to let you know that one of the things I like to carry with me is a SCHF 10 knife. It's a fishing kit in the little pocket. I carry it in this little bottle, and I also carry a little stone to keep my knife sharp when I need to. Anyhow, wanted to let you know that if you look out here, you'll see some cane. And one of the things I like to do, like I said, is carry a little survival kit with me for fishing. What I'm going to do, cut one of these cane poles down, turn it into a fishing pole, and see if I can't get lucky over here and catch a fish. Now, I'm not going to take the time to cook him up. I'm going to catch release, but I have caught numerous smallmouth bass and brim out of this creek that runs through this property. So hopefully I'll be able to find some kind of a beetle or grub. All right, I'll get back at you as soon as I get everything all together. All right. I think you can see me just fine. Got that cane. What I do is put that pole out away from me. Clean that dude off. Hope you can hear me. Now, so far I haven't noticed this cane getting much bigger than this. Like I said, this dude has a little pocket right here, and in that pocket I carry this little stone, and I like to carry this little kit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some bank line out of there, and then I've got hooks and sinkers. Simple, easy peasy. It's a triple thread. It's got 3 35-pound lines in it. Makes a 105-pound test line, tarred bank line. So I'm going to take this apart, get me some string going, get it all set up, try to find me some little grub or a little beetle or something, and toss it out there. I'll be right back. Got my pole all rigged up, and found me a couple big old monster grubs over here in some rotten wood. Took me quite a while to find something to use out here. I don't know what these guys are for sure, but they look ticked. I'm going to put one on this hook, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Well, the water's moving too fast where I'm giving it a try, so I'm going to go on down. I'll take you with me. All right. I've never walked along with my camera on my tripod, so I'm going to give it a go. You see Les Stroud and all them old cool guys do it. So I'm going to take you with me, and we'll go see what we can find. Now, I'm sure I'll edit a lot of this out. But what I'm looking for is some river birch, and then for some place to be able to get in here to this this channel. I'm up pretty good. You may not be able to tell it on this camera, but I'm up quite a ways from that bank. Now I have been down here with my fishing pole because I like to spin cast. I'm an angler. I bait cast, or I bait fish too, but one of my favorite things to do in fishing is spinner jigs, rooster tail. I like to catch everything I can catch, so that's the style I go for. Whoa. Earlier I was out here and came across a snake. Now, I don't know much about snakes. I know there are several here in middle Georgia that are poisonous, rattlesnakes and cottonmouth and such. I don't like snakes. I try to just avoid them. I know there are snake lovers out there, but I'm not one of them. And this property is near an interstate. One side of the property borders an interstate. So if in the background you hear what sounds like wind, I don't know if you can hear it at all. But that's a big old interstate running by all the time, making all that noise. But the further you get down here, it's a good 3/4 of a mile or so away. The further you get down in here, the less you hear it. It just sounds like the wind. I've been watching my step and talking on this video. I haven't even been looking for birch. Still not holding my breath. It is beautiful here. Humidity is really high. I mentioned earlier that I moved down here a year ago from Indiana. Now we get hot in the summer. The humidity down here is ridiculous. And I haven't been out here much in the last 2 or 3 weeks because the tick season kicked in, and I mentioned earlier that we did a hammock camp over the holiday weekend, and I couldn't tell you how many dozens of ticks got on us. But that's part of being outdoors. I know there's the different types of diseases, Rocky Mountain and Lyme and all that. You gotta really check yourself over real good, and if you're with a partner, check each other. Well, I'm still not seeing any way to get down there yet. Alright, like I said, I'll probably edit a lot of this out. I might not. Some people enjoy watching a guy walk through the woods. You might be wondering, if you saw those water jugs up ahead, what in the world? This is actually one of the campsites that my wife and I use. Primitive camp. We come out here and throw up a tent, put up a tarp. I like to string up a hammock, but I'm going to give it a go right here since I know I can get down there. Ooh. Looks like I see a fish down there anyways. Doesn't mean I'll catch him. But give that a shot down there. Hopefully you'll be able to see me. Like I mentioned, there are a lot of snakes in this area, so I'm watching for snakes as I come down here. You gotta find some bait.